Today we are going to talk about plantain pills, how you can use plantain pills to heal the condition. My name is Dr. Arnold, the Village Herbs Clinic CEO. You can Google, learn more about it, follow us on TikTok. I want you to follow. As I'm talking to you, I'm waiting for you. Follow us, like some of our videos, share it to your friends so that they can also get part of whatever we are doing here, right, in this village. Today we're going to talk about plantain pills and how you can use plantain pills to do some healing process. One, plantain pills repair damaged cells. When you get a cell, the cells are damaged, right? The plantain pills heal the damaged cells for you. So you take plantain pills, you can boil it, drink the water for damaged cells. It's rich in potassium, which makes the blood lighter and has proper blood circulation in your system. So plantain pills is very good for people with heart conditions and all that stuff. Give you strength so that you can walk faster, give you strength that you can walk well. That's plantain pills for you, right? And support your heart. And it helps in metabolism. Right, so it helps in metabolism. Some people suffer from metabolism syndrome and all that stuff. So like cholesterol, like high blood pressure and diabetes. Plantain pills are very good for you. Like, share our videos, and come to our clinic one of these December visitors. Thank you very much. My name is Dr. Arnold. Thank you. Bye-bye.